Recently, I was in bed about to fall asleep when I had the loud internal thought, I should have meditated. And when I had that loud internal thought, I realized how frustrated I sounded at myself. One of my goals was to meditate during the day, and I didn't get around to it. And so I was frustrated at myself because I know how much smoother my life is and how much easier everything works out when I do meditate regularly. So after I realized I had been talking to myself that way internally, I immediately changed the phrase to something better. I changed the phrase to something like, I should have meditated, but it's okay. And it wasn't as harsh sounding as the first time, but it was still judgmental. So then I redid the phrase a third time in my mind to, I'd really like to meditate more. It was very positive sounding and there was no judgment or negative connotation this time. The thing was, I was still saying the exact same thing I was the first time, only in a much more positive way that didn't carry any judgment. So, this experience really highlighted for me the way that I had actually been talking to myself internally because this was at least the third time that I had had a similar thought like that in a similar way. I feel like catching this and adjusting how I speak to myself internally is going to have a significant impact on my life, and I wanted to share this message in case anybody else can relate.